One of the most important global challenges in our day is climate change. Almost every country in the world has passed environmental laws to mitigate the effect of climate change, and numerous advertisements, slogans, posters, and campaigns against climate change has been launched by concerned environmental organizations and government institutions to raise public awareness of how we can help to stop this global crisis. But it's unfortunate that a small percentage of the world's populations has responded to that call. When the climate change, the temperature rises rapidly, potentially causing various changes on the planet. Floods, droughts, heavy rain, more frequent and severe heat waves, and the melting of ice glaciers can all result in rapid increase in the amount of water in the Earth's seas and oceans. The burning of combustions of fossil fuels to create energy, which may be found in fueled vehicles and some factories, is one of the key elements that contribute to climate change. Activities that emit of a lot of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, such as burning, result in greenhouse formation. Deforestation, pollution, and other human-caused illegal activities are also issues. Now, the question I'd want to pose is that whether or not Earth can still sustain life if climate change isn't prevented. What is going to happen to the next generation? We now have the answer to the questions in our hands. The youth, in particular. Why are we here? Why should we participate? It's because today's youth will be the tomorrow's leaders and citizens. Today's youth are the ones who will set the foundation for the following generation. So, how can youth contribute to the fight against climate change? Some young people may have not financially means to support different environmental programs or projects. Some individuals aren't powerful enough to invite a large number of people. Some of them are just regular students. However, keep in mind that none of these ideas are essential to help in the battle against climate change. Youth can contribute to the fight against climate change in their own unique and useful ways. Joining environmental organizations or groups, participating in various governmental and non-governmental, school or community programs and projects against climate change. Participant in cleanup drives at school or it's in the community, tree planting or go green activities, garbage picking and recycling initiatives, getting involved in environmental protests and campaigns, using social media such as Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram to promote climate change and environmental awareness to the public. Limiting the use of plastic, helping report illegal activities to authorities, walking or biking in a short distance instead of riding vehicles, segregating garbage at home, and lastly, encouraging our friends, schoolmates, and our family to do what we are doing. This action can assist to reduce climate change. Today, we must recognize that we have a moral obligation to our environment and world. It's not easy to put a stop to climate change. However, if we all work together, our small actions will have a large impact on our environment and world. Every living life on Earth depends on how we manage our environment, because we humans are the highest kind of existence in this world. We are to blame if things go wrong. Let us act now. Me and all the teenagers throughout the planet, let us take the part in this struggle. Let us, as the younger generation, assist the older generation in developing our surroundings. Our voice is important, as is our lives. So, what are we going to do now? Let us get together to put a half of the climate change. Today's youth hold the key to the destiny of this planet and the following generation.